Hello and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 7th of May 1915, the British ship RMS Lusitania sank after being attacked by the German U-boat U-20 off the coast of Ireland. The Lusitania was launched by the Cunard Line in 1906 and was one of the largest ocean liners of its time. It undertook its first voyage in 1907 and went on to win the Blue Riband, the unofficial award for the fastest transatlantic crossing. The outbreak of the First World War saw Britain impose a blockade on German ports, which prompted the German Navy to attempt the same on the British Isles. However, the Royal Navy limited the impact of Germany's blockade, so the Lusitania was able to continue its journeys between Liverpool and New York City. On the 4th of February 1915, the commander of the German High Seas Fleet announced that German submarines would begin unrestricted warfare, meaning that they would sink Allied ships in the waters around the British Isles. Prior to the Lusitania's scheduled voyage from the USA on the 1st of May that year, the German embassy in Washington took out a newspaper advert warning that passengers undertook the voyage at their own risk. 1,962 people and around 173 tons of war munitions were on board the Lusitania when it left New York City under Captain William Thomas Turner. Having crossed the Atlantic, the ship was then hit on its starboard side at 2:10 in the afternoon by a torpedo fired by U-20. The Lusitania sank in just 18 minutes, and 1,198 people lost their lives. The German government attempted to justify the sinking, but it was met with outrage in the Allied countries. Despite the deaths of American civilians, President Wilson chose to remain neutral in the war. Germany abandoned unrestricted submarine warfare in August, but went on to resume it again in early 1917. This, and the discovery of the Zimmermann telegram, later led to Wilson's decision to declare war.